Hello guys, welcome back again with me Jeff, J2F Story Tutorial. Today we will discuss the YouTube community. As I explained in my previous video, why does it have to be a YouTube community? This is very important for beginner YouTubers in this year, because in platform YouTube it's many competitor. So the YouTube community is a group of people who share the same interest in particular topic or theme on the YouTube platform. We can interact, exchange information, and collaborate to create better content. And in the YouTube community, there are several types that you should know about it. Okay? And how to join? First, you can create a YouTuber community group according to your topic, such as the gaming community, fashion and beauty community, food and travel community, and others, and so on, so on. You can search for Facebook group or online forum related to topic according the theme of your content. The second, you can search for Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram group related to the theme of your content, of course. If you already joined in community, you can build a network. There are some types and suggestions on how to build network within a YouTube community. So when you are already inside in community, you have to know what you have to do, right? First, interact with other members in YouTube community is very important, of course. You can interact by commenting on our video or post, asking questions, or providing support and collaboration video each others. Second, participate in discussion forum, of course. Joining discussion forum or group chat within a YouTube community can help you build your network. You can discuss with other members and get information or support from us. Third, introduce yourself properly. Introducing yourself properly is very important in building a network. Provide information about yourself, your interests, and the type of content you create. Joining the YouTube community can provide many benefits for content creator, especially for those of us who are just starting a career on this platform. Here are some of the benefits of joining the YouTube community. First, increase the exposure of your content. By joining the YouTube community, you can expand the reach of your content by interacting with other members and building relation with us. You can ask to provide support for your content, such as commenting, liking, and subscribing. Apart from that, you can also take advantage of collaborating with community members who share your interest to increase the exposure of your content. Get useful feedback and suggestion within a YouTube community. You can interact with other content creators and ask for feedback or suggestion about your content. You can learn from the experience of knowledge of other members and apply it to your content. Positive feedback can provide motivation for you, while critical feedback can help you refine and improve the quality of your content. Learn marketing strategies and channel development in YouTube community. You can exchange information and learn from other members about marketing strategy. You can learn about how to promote your content, how to get your audience attention, and how to handle crisis or problem on your channel. Expand your social network by joining the YouTube community. You can expand your social network by meeting new people who share the same interests as you. You can build a relationship with us and maybe even collaborate on your content in the future. So, increase motivation and creativity. Joining a YouTube community can provide motivation and inspiration for you to continue working and creating better content. You can get new ideas and see how other creators have faced challenges and overcome issues in our YouTube career. So the conclusion is, you can provide many benefits for us content creators. Besides that, you can increase content exposure, get useful feedback and suggestion, and learn marketing and channel development strategies. And joining a community can also expand social networks, increase motivation and creativity, and help you face challenges in your YouTube career. It is very important for content creators to join a YouTube community that is relevant to the topic or theme of our content, so that we can collaborate with each other on our videos according to the theme or topic of our channel. For the next video, I will explain how to collaborate our video with other content creators by visiting each other. So keep following this channel to find out about the progress on your YouTube channel. So if you interest this video, you can subscribe and like and give comment. Then I will give a feedback how to collaboration in the next video. Stay tuned on this channel and bye.